Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another tutorial. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to sleek down your natural hair using this wax. This is a osssion wax, but you can use another wax if you please, and I'll be using this. Got to be freeze spray to hold it. Guys, you don't have to flat iron a natural hair for it to be smooth and laid down sleek. So in this video you are going to see how I section the hair and place the wax in between each part at the roots, guys. So you'll be putting the wax at the roots and use your rattail comb to comb through and lay the hair flat down. So guys, stay tuned and you'll see how I do it step by step, so you can sleek down your natural hair and you don't have to use a flat iron, because too much heat is not good for your hair. You will get heat damage. So you can definitely sleek down your natural hair without doing all that, guys. So pay attention closely. So as you see, that's what I'm doing here. I'm applying the wax just to the root of her hair, because the root is where you need to focus on to get flat. Once the root is flat, the rest of it is normally easy to comb through and lay down. So there you go, guys. That's it. You can see it already that the root is really flat and smooth, and her hair is all natural. This is natural 4C here, guys. Okay guys, so remember to pay attention closely and turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a new tutorial.